Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android tips and tricks. In today's video, I will show you how to view your deleted photos on your Android phone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to your search right here, and then go ahead and click on the search and type in file. So having typed in file, you can get your deleted photo in File Manager or Files by Google. So however, we want to see how we can get the deleted photo in File Manager or Gallery. So open up your File Manager. Having opened up your File Manager, go ahead and click on Browse. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply looking for recently deleted right here. And here you go. You found all your deleted photos in these sections right here. Then from here, you can restore back as much as possible or permanently delete any photo from this point. So for that, go ahead and select any photo you want to delete it. So let's, for instance, I want to delete this photo right here. So let's say, for instance, I want to restore this photo or delete it. So what you need to do is to simply go ahead and click and hold down, and then you have options of either you delete or you restore back the deleted photo. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Android phone settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.